was looking for a serum that not only has anti-aging properties but also has hydration and brightening properties in it, and that is when I came across Mirabella Replenish and Restore Multi-Peptide Serum. The Mirabella Beauty Serum is gluten-free, paraben and cruelty-free. The product comes with a drip or two, which is so easy to use. This powerhouse face serum is formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It has powerful antioxidants. It has retinol, which is just 0.5, which is a very less amount, and so I would suggest using this. At least initially use it just alternative days or 2 or 3 times a week. And it has anti-aging properties, anti-inflammatory properties. I love niacinamide and hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. The product has so quickly gone into my skin, so even if I go to sleep right now, it would not transfer to my pillow. So if you have been looking for an anti-aging serum with these amazing ingredients and properties, get yours now at mirabella.com.